How to change the battery in a Peugeot 5008 key fob. This is from a 2024 Peugeot 5008, but frankly, this is going to work on a whole bunch of different Peugeot key fobs that look like this. You're just going to need the new battery. It's a 2032, CR 2032. I'll put a link down below if you don't have one. And you're going to need like a little flathead screwdriver or something of the sort. So it's really super easy. We have the front side with the buttons, and then we have the back, and you'll see there's like kind of a little space here. And if we just kind of come in here with a screwdriver, we don't need to do anything other than just pop that back off. And then when we pop the back off, that reveals the key right here. It's good to have your screwdriver because it's a little bit hard to get this battery out without it. But from there, you can just use that battery to pry it out. Come in there, come in with your new battery, put it in, flat side coming out, push it in until it pops. And then this just pops back on. You see these little two prongs here, you're gonna put them down here and then push it in, and that's it, you're done. Thanks a lot for watching.